I have found the best way on how you can trade Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies, and this strategy is easily making me thousands of dollars every single day. And that is why in today's video I want to be exactly explain about this strategy and how you could potentially set it up yourself. To quickly break down what this strategy does here, it basically accumulates positions along the way down and sells them along the way up, or vice versa. You accumulate along the way up in your short position and sell along the way down, and this is basically what we call grid trading bots. And honestly, one of the best ways on how to trade Bitcoin nowadays is using these grid trading bots. So in this video, I'm gonna be making a dedicated tutorial on how you can set up your own grid trading bot, on how you can sign up an account and claim some insane deposit bonuses, and much more. So to kick off, if you want to be signing up an account, go to the highest link description of today's video and press on this link, Trade with Grid Bots on Pionex. And what will happen afterwards is that you will be getting redirected towards this website. And the first thing, guys, if you sign up an account, you will already get a free $50. And if you deposit $10,000 in the next 3 days after signing up your account, you will get a free $1,000, which is of course extremely nice because you can use these funds extra to of course make some profits. And also there are many great deposit bonuses. So yeah, just make sure to press on register. And basically what you have to do next here is sign up an account using either Google, Apple, or just by email, but that is of course a very simple thing to be doing. You just go to the top right side of your screen where it says wallet, you press on this and you press on deposit. If you press on deposit, of course you can deposit some cryptocurrencies on the exchange, which is very easy to do. You can select any asset you would like. You can do Bitcoin, Tether, Ethereum, whatever, guys. Basically you can almost deposit everything on this exchange. Whenever you deposit your funds in your account, you will basically see your accounts in your total value, which in my case is about $100,000. Since I've been using Pionex for quite a while already, I've been testing it out, I've been checking how it's going. I mean, in the last 7 days, Bitcoin has come down ever so slightly, but overall, I started with about $90,000 and I'm still in a significant profit. And today, I am making about $5,000 in profit already. And the best part about these grid trading bots, I'm still going to be talking about because they are really nice. So after you deposited some funds in your exchange, what you want to be doing next here is go to futures and then go to futures bots. If you press on this, basically what you want to be doing is selecting the asset you want to be trading on. Like you can see, I'm currently already in some couple trades on Bitcoin, Ethereum, and for this example, I'm going to be showing you a trade on Solana, which I will be opening. Basically how it works, you want to be selecting the preferred asset. In this case, I selected Solana, and what you want to be doing next here is go to the right side of your screen where you will see futures grid, and it also says hot because this is the most popular product out there. And what makes Pionex so great here is that the exchange is completely built around grid trading bots. So this is really where, if you want to be using grid trading bots, it's the best place to do so. So you just press on create and you can either copy strategies from other creators or from other people. I mean, I have also set up my own grid trading bots here and I will leave a link towards them in the link description of today's video. It is very simple. You just press on either the Bitcoin strategy or the Ethereum one. You press on it and then you come to this page where you can literally press on copy the bot and you can use it yourself as well. So it's a very nice on how to copy my trading strategies because I'm going to show you right now because you can create your own strategies, but of course you can completely customize them. What is of course also exactly what I have done as well. So I selected the asset and after that I pressed of course on that I want to be creating a futures bot and I selected the pair here, Sol against the US dollar. And then the first thing you want to be doing basically is selecting whether you want to be going long, short, or neutral. I personally always, of course, only use the long and short. And of course, it really depends on how you feel about the market, whether you think it's about to be dipping or whether you think it's about to be going higher, or whether you think like in the coming year, it's probably going to be doing good. You can also set up like a very big grid trading bot here. So that is what I did also with my Bitcoin and Ethereum strategy. So I'm going to be doing the same with this Solana strategy as well. So first of all, you want to be selecting the price range where you want to be accumulating and the last level where you want to be selling for Solana. So what I first of all will be doing is of course look at the bigger perspective on the weekly time frame. You can see right now Solana is at quite an interesting level, at this major support level on the weekly time frame, right? This is previous resistance. So I find this level quite interesting to be accumulating, but I think it can also go all the way down towards $80 to of course retest the low and then go higher again. So what I will be doing is the lowest side of the range is going to be $75. So that is going to be the low over here where I will be accumulating. So let's say Solana goes all the way down here till $75. I'm going to be accumulating. And then till the top side of the range, where I want to be selling all the way to, is about the new all-time high. So that's about $260 towards $300. So in this case, I'm going to be setting $250. So I'm going to be pressing that. And now I establish the range where the grid trading bots is basically going to be trading in. Then the next thing I'm going to be selecting is how many grid quantity I actually want to be using. So how many levels of accumulation and distribution will I really add towards this trade here? So normally around 100 is quite normal. You can see it also right now straight away in the chart. These are all the orders set up here. 100 buy orders along the way down, 100 sell orders along the way up. So that is basically what you want to be doing. You can also set the price raise on the lower side a little bit lower, because if we do so, it does make a little bit more sense because we're placing 100 orders. So basically till $70, we're going to be accumulating, and all the way up to $250, we're going to be distributing. So 100 grids are currently set up here. And then the next thing what you want to be doing is putting up the allocation of this actual grid trading bot here. You can see I've currently got $470 approximately available to be still using for this investment. And you can see you can only use up to about 5,000 US dollars. So yeah, you're limited towards how big your position can actually be here, because you can be limited on how big your position actually can be with depending of course how much leverage you are using. You can also adjust the leverage. Normally it's standardly on 3x, but sometimes I do use a little bit higher leverage. But personally for these grid trading bots, of course I can't really recommend any leverage you want to be using, because you need to make sure to always trade with the least amount of risk. And of course I'm not a financial advisor, this is just what I am doing. But yeah, I'm usually using around 5x in leverage. And then you can see, yeah, we can invest about $4 million in this strategy, and that is of course quite great here. So in this case, I'm going to be using a little bit higher leverage because I do think Solana is going to be close to a bottom. But basically, if I do open up this trade here, guys, I'm not going to get liquidated because we're going to be accumulating all the way along down here. So you can use the leverage and still make a lot of profit because you have got a big range where you can accumulate towards. So that is really what I like about these grid trading bots here. Then also you can put a trigger price here. Then also you can do some additional settings with an extra complete take profit, a complete stop loss here. So yeah, if you're feeling cautious, if you want to be of course taking some extra things here to of course make sure your trade is extra safe here, make sure to definitely check this out as well here, and make sure to set a take profit and to set a stop loss here. But in this case, I won't need to be doing that here because I will be managing my trade myself here. I will press on create, and now you get basically the overview of your position, what is going to be happening. So the investment I allocated towards it is $470, but the actual investment is $98, and the other dollars that I invested in the strategy are used to buy of course along the way down here. So it is really managing your risk for you here. So about 78% of the strategy is right now used for whenever the prices go down, and so we are of course prepared for that here. So I'm going to be agreeing with the order, so I'm going to be pressing on OK, and boom, I set up the order. You can see right now here my actual investment now is about $98, so that is quite okay. And now if I'm going to be pressing on detail, you will see basically all my overviews of all my trades I've currently got ongoing here. You can see all the stats, and to show you guys some more information about my previous trades I am doing, my Bitcoin trade I just took some profits on. You can see over here my hyper liquid trade. I already locked in about 11,000 US dollars in profit. And right now, since the prices are going down a little bit here, the unrealized profit is about $12,000. So the total analyzed return is minus $1,000. But what it does here, and I'm going to quickly show you the chart as well, because then it will probably make a little bit more sense here. But basically, if I'm going to be zooming out towards Hyperliquid, I'm extremely bullish on this coin. I've been all the way down here, accumulated, and selling along the way up here. And that is just the reason why I've been making so much profit lately, because I opened it over here, selling, and then here I've been buying, and now I'm selling again here. And if it goes up here, guys, I will be once again selling a lot of my position automatically. And that way it is the best strategy to make profit. And of course, if it comes down again here, we're going to be accumulating, and then boom, if it goes up, we're going to sell again here. And that way it just automatically makes the most amount of profit. And that is really what I love about these strategies. And I mean, it's exactly doing the same with Ethereum. Right now also with my Solana trade, I just opened. And just like I said earlier, you can copy my longer term Bitcoin and Ethereum strategy as well in the link description of today's video. I will also leave a link towards my hyper liquid trading strategy. So yeah, you can also make some profits with that here, because I really think that is a very great trading strategy I set up here. But anyways, guys, this is the way and how you can make a significant amount of profit by easily setting up a grid trading bot here. And honestly, I think this is the least stressful and one of the best ways on how to make money right now here, because you can use leverage and also, of course, don't get liquidated so quickly, since it slowly and gradually enters your position. So yeah, if you're interested in that, check it out in the link description of today's video. But anyways, this is the end of the tutorial. If you did learn something from it, don't forget to slap on the like button, share this video with your friends and family if you want them to learn about this as well. And this was it from me in today's video. Peace out, goodbye.